Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Do you want to see how I made this summertime wreath for my front door? Then stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so about a year, I think maybe 2 years ago, I made this right here. I'm not happy with it anymore. It's seen better days. It's been out in the weather for, I believe, 2 consecutive years for the summer period. It's been stored unprotected, so it's very, very dirty and dingy, and all around, I'm not happy with it. So I went and bought new flowers for Michael's. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I posted the picture that has my new flowers that I purchased. So I'm going to show you what I got. Then I'm going to take this apart, tear everything off, and I'm pretty good at gluing, so it's probably going to be, I probably should have just threw the whole thing away and just bought a new wreath, but I'm going to just take off all of the stuff and repurpose this wreath. And I went ahead and bought then, these are the greens, they're like long flowy greenery, and they're plastic, so they're not gonna get really dirty and dingy like these. And I noticed that the eucalyptus, they do tend to fall off, and I'm finding them flowing around in my yard. So this style I know won't do that. I got these little white wax flowers for the filler. I bought 3 different stems of those. I also bought 2 stems of these flowers that kind of fall down. I used something different color in my Easter one, and still to this day I really love how they fall over the flowers and give it a different effect. For my purples, I got 2 stems of these little really pretty roses to add a dark purple to it. I also got 3 stems of these hydrangeas. Then I got in a bouquet, pretty much a bundle of like these magenta pink, hot pink roses. Then I got some smaller little roses that are more of like a peachier pink color. I now notice that I'm missing 2 flowers. I got gypped. I got 2 little extras with no flowers on them. So I guess I didn't pay attention, so I'm 2 less of a bunch, but there's those. I got 3 stems of these yellow flowers. I then got 2 stems of these beautiful birds of paradise. I thought that was nice and like a summery type thing. Then I got 3 of these bigger, which you can't see the full effect right now. They are bigger when you pull the plastic off. So these are all of the colors that I'm going to use for it. I thought that those would be nice and summery before I go to the fall. So this will be my new summer arrangement that I'm going to make. And then I'm going to cut all of the stems off, get them all prepped and ready. I also did buy, excuse me, I know I'm all in the way. This is what I'm going to make for the ribbon. And then I also bought these butterflies to put around in the wreath as well. So that's kind of summery. So that is everything. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and tear this apart, put all this, and I'll be back to get everything ready. Okay, you guys, so I've already removed everything. And this time I'm going to start with my bow. Sometimes I do it at the end, sometimes I do it in the beginning. Just depends on what I feel. So today I'm going to go ahead and start with my bow at the top, so then I can just build around it. Okay, so I'm going to do the burlap, and I'm going to do the ribbon on top of it. So to be kind of like that. Now, the way I do my bow is the way that I was taught in a ROP class that I took when I was in high school. And I used the same fundamentals when I owned my own flower shop at the age of 19. So, hence, if you don't know, my channel name being Crafty, this is where I got it from. So, I start with it like this, okay? And it's pinch, loop, gather, twist, pull. So, you pinch, this is the loop. And I always start with smaller ones in the middle, and then gradually go bigger, and then the last few I go back in a little bit more. So okay, so pinch, loop, gather, twist, and pull. So you twist, you pull it, you loop it, you twist it, you pull it, twist it, and with this burlap, this is going to be quite difficult for me to hold it all at the end, but let's try to get this done here. Now see how I'm starting to get them bigger? Now, I'm going to do a loop and another loop. Oh my goodness, this is really hurting my hands. All right. And then I take the wire like a U shape, hook it around, and then you use your pointer finger here. Hold on. You use your pointer finger here to kind of push everything together, and you twist to get it really tight. And hold everything together. Whew, this is a massive bow, you guys. Okay, that is going to be top heavy too. Now this loop down here, it's going to just be some of my fringe. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to cut it to a point. Wrong point. I'm going to, wrong way. There we go. Now we got it. Now it's going to be a dovetail. Like that. And then this one, same thing. Take it, fold it, twist it, dovetail it. Okay. Whew. Now we have our bow, you guys. So now is when you fluff it. And I basically go up, down, okay, so let's hang it up. I take my 2 wires and just put it through the wreath itself. Okay, so let's put it on the door. And so this time, and every time I do these, I don't have a rhyme or reason of what I do, when I do it. I just do it. I just go with the flow, do what looks best at the time, and hope for the best. That's honestly what I do every time. I just hope for the best. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my focal flower. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my focal flowers first. So I'm gonna start with my birds of paradise, and I think I want them to kind of be hanging out like, let's see here. I'm thinking I'm gonna put those right in the middle. I think that's what I'm gonna do. This whole time I thought I was warming this bad boy up. I was making the bow, and apparently it wasn't plugged in all the way. So now I need to wait a second. What else now? Okay, so my glue gun is warmed enough. I believe. And when I glue them, you guys, I basically glue just the bottom. Okay, you guys, so that is how I created this. Thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and comment down below. Do you think this is a summery theme? Do the colors look summery? I hope so. Do you think this looks better than what it was in the beginning that I took apart to redo? Go ahead and comment down below. Your positive interaction with me means the world and I greatly appreciate it. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. Comment down below with any questions or let me know if, like I said, do you think this came out better than the other one and all that good stuff. So thank you so much. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would greatly appreciate that. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.